Winter herb care and maintenance. Winter brings unique challenges for herb gardens, with frost, freezing temperatures, and reduced sunlight affecting plant health. Many herbs slow their growth in winter, while others struggle to survive without proper care. To protect your herbs, cover outdoor plants with row covers, burlap, or even upside-down buckets on particularly cold nights. If you live in an area with harsh winters, consider using cold frames or small greenhouse setups to create a warmer microclimate. Watering habits should also change in winter. Since plants grow more slowly and evaporation is reduced, overwatering can quickly lead to root rot. Water sparingly, allowing the top layer of soil to dry between waterings. A good rule of thumb is to water only when the soil is dry about an inch deep. Also, avoid watering in the evening to prevent excess moisture from freezing overnight. For more delicate herbs, such as basil, rosemary, thyme, and oregano, bringing them indoors is the best way to keep them thriving. Before moving them inside, inspect for pests and prune any damaged leaves. Place them near a bright, south-facing window with good air circulation to prevent fungal issues. If natural light is limited, supplement with grow lights to ensure steady growth. Repotting herbs into larger containers with fresh, well-draining soil helps them adapt to their indoor environment. Hardy herbs like mint, chives, parsley, and sage can withstand the cold and overwinter in the ground. However, they still need some protection. Adding a thick layer of mulch, such as straw, shredded leaves, or pine needles, insulates the roots and prevents temperature fluctuations that can lead to frost damage. It's also helpful to prune back any dead or damaged stems, which encourages fresh, healthy growth when spring arrives. Despite the cold, you can still harvest herbs throughout winter. However, it's important to cut sparingly, only about 1/3 of the plant at a time, to avoid excessive stress. Enjoy your fresh herbs in soups, stews, and teas, or preserve them by drying, freezing, or infusing in oil. If drying, hang small bunches upside down in a well-ventilated, dry space. Freezing herbs in ice cube trays with water or olive oil is another great way to maintain their flavor. As winter comes to an end, preparing your herb garden for spring is key to a productive growing season. Start by pruning any dead or weakened growth to stimulate new shoots. If your herbs have become root-bound in containers, repot or divide them to allow for healthier expansion. Spring is also the perfect time to refresh the soil and apply a balanced fertilizer to replenish nutrients lost during the winter months. This ensures that your herbs start the growing season strong, providing fresh and flavorful harvests for months to come. With proper care, your herbs can survive and even thrive during the winter, ensuring you have access to fresh, homegrown flavors all year round.